Dude, I know we all like to be very manly. No problem, let's start. Get fit. Manly men don't have to look like Conan the Barbarian, but they do need to take care of their bodies. Fellow men and women alike admire strength and athleticism. If you are not already in good shape, immediately set aside some time in your schedule to exercise every day. Exercise will make you look and feel better. It can also help thwart depression, making you much better suited for pursuing your other manly goals. Here are some steps you can take to develop your own manly physicality. Lift weights. Strength training exercises help build manly muscles and burn fat. Use proper technique and proceed slowly. If you're new to weightlifting, you can hurt yourself with bad form. If you're unsure of how to proceed and you can afford it, hire a personal trainer. He will help you craft an exercise routine that fits your precise needs. Manly men are aware of the image they project. Stand up straight and walk with purpose. An erect posture makes you look confident and may even make you feel more confident. A slumped posture appears beaten or submissive. If you have high body fat, consider dieting. Dieting isn't womanly. It's responsible. Losing weight can decrease your risk for heart disease and other common health issues later in life. Next one. Relish responsibility. Real men don't run from challenges or try to shirk their obligations. Rather, they take pride in being reliable and responsible. If other people feel like they can trust you, you'll quickly learn to trust yourself, which will bring increased confidence. Responsibility comes in many forms, depending on the roles you take on. Here are just a few aspects of life that may require you to take on new responsibility. If you're a husband or a father, become a leader in your family. Take an active role in child raising and/or balance the household budget, for instance. If you're a boyfriend, be a mature, reliable one. Plan dates and outings without being asked. Be emotionally available for your significant other when he needs it. If you have a career, commit yourself to it. Take on challenging projects, even if it occasionally means staying late or working overtime. Be the one person your boss can trust. You'll earn much respect and also job security. Emulate manly role models who excel in their careers and home life, whether they're familiar friends or famous heroes. Next one. Be a sexual dynamo. Now for the fun stuff. Manly men are sexually confident. They know they're the most attractive person in the room, so they don't make idiots of themselves by trying too hard. Instead, they coolly and confidently approach people they find attractive and allow their charming, friendly personality to naturally steer conversations toward flirtation. Manly men are direct about what they want, but they are not boorish or arrogant. They like to have fun, but they always remember that their sexual prospects are human beings with their own needs and wants. If you're single, work on your sexual confidence. Try to be dominant in your flirtatious conversations and in the bedroom. Don't get emotionally invested in relationships that don't exist yet. If you're inexperienced, begin simply by getting out more. Talk to attractive people you meet without fear. If there's a mutual attraction, you might hit it off, and if not, you'll still get better at talking confidently. Apply these principles to any committed relationships you find yourself in. Keep your confidence around your wife or girlfriend. Surprise her by seducing her like you'd seduce someone you're meeting for the first time. Next one. Improve your emotional health. A common misconception is that manly men have no emotions other than anger. Nothing could be further from the truth. Manly men experience a full spectrum of emotions: joy, sadness, regret, contentment, and every shade in between. However, a man never loses control of his emotions. He never allows himself to get so angry that he does something stupid. He never allows himself to get so sad that he ignores his responsibilities. He does what he needs to do to ensure he's emotionally ready to take charge of his life. Honestly critique your emotional state. Do you experience certain emotions illogically? Tackle your weaknesses head-on. Talk to friends or a counselor to put your emotional state in a new perspective. Men and women both experience clinical depression, But depressed men are more likely to commit suicide. Depression can also lead men to neglect their family and career. If you are depressed, seek medical help. It's not manly to pretend nothing's wrong.